Welcome to Allegedly Tarot.
Hi everyone. For this video, I'm going to ask what is bothering Harry the most. I mean, he has problems coming out of the woodwork, left, right, and center. Every time you turn around and look at the media, there's some kind of scandal with him and Meghan, and it's disgusting, quite frankly, but that's the life he wants to live now. So, what is bothering him the most? What do you think, guys, would be bothering him the most? Is he worried about Meghan's next move? Is he worried about his visa? What is bothering him the most? The truth about the children? His line, the place in the succession, his place in the line of succession, I'll get it out, right? Is he worried about money? Is he worried about getting caught and going to prison? That was just my little thought, but that's highly, highly doubtful. But let's just have a look. What is Harry worried the most about? Because I saw some pictures from Invictus and yesterday did not look very happy at all. He had yeah. He just is not happy. Well, he has made his bed and he is lying in it right now. So, what is bothering Harry the most? So, let's see. Would it be about Meghan's next move? I'm just going to ask here. Okay. What is bothering Harry the most, please? Okay, let's just check this out. What is bothering Harry the most? That is the Five of Cups in reverse. And do you see that guy in bed? That's like his deathbed or sick bed. His sick bed. This is the Five of Cups. It's a very disappointment. Lots of disappointment. You're crying over spilt milk. You're not looking at the cups that are still upright, but it's in reverse as well. And this man is really worried about consequences. That's what I'm thinking, with that. Look at that guy in the bed. I did say, but worried about the consequences, the stuff that, well, I mean, that's what you get. So, let's just continue. What is Harry worried? What's bothering him the most? Oh, wow, look at that. The Ace of Pentacles. So you got that would be a money card. That was great big worry about money. And here you are with the Five of Cups in reverse, just worried about your consequences and about money. I do think that, he keeps on worried about security and stuff. He is very paranoid anyway. This is, not having the money to pay for it, and just he's been exposed about their charity giving to Democrats, the Democratic Party, that one Ashley Biden's, I think they gave $250,000 or something to them. He is worried that this is all devious, has a bit of, look at that, with at the time, and I think that's a king and queen there. I'm not sure what I forgot what the story was about it, but look at that, having grapes and everything, have like a money chest there. Well, they don't have that now. And giving, just freely giving away, living high on the hog, so to speak. I think he's worried about that now. What is bothering Harry the most? What is bothering Harry the most? The Pope in reverse. And I don't think that's the Emperor. I think that's the Hierophant. And also, the Hierophant or the Pope in reverse would be the royal family or the institution. Maybe he's worried about not being able to get back in or whatever he's done to them. Everything that he's done to them. This whole thing is just destructive, been destructive for him. It's coming down on poor little Harry. So, what else is he worried about the most? What is he worried about the most? That is the Ace of Swords in reverse. That would be lots of lies coming out, because upright, it's the truth. The Ace of Swords, that is a big card. Even though it's an ace, but that is like a big card. You got two aces here, too. So you have him. This is consciously worried about things, he, especially in that, maybe it is making him sick, that sick bed there. And people coming to see him with the, I just keep going back to that, because that's him in his sick bed. Maybe he is worried sick. I think this would be like with that sick bed, and this is a struggle, in his mind, because also the swords are thoughts and words. You were so foolish, Harry. You have been so foolish. But anyway, let's see. What else is bothering Harry the most? What is bothering Harry the most? The Justice card in reverse. And things have not been fair for him. But justice is coming down on you, Harry. Justice is coming. And to be honest, she's got a sword there too. Can you see that? She's got a sword and scales there. The scales of justice is coming. His karma is coming. I think there's he's angry about it as well. There's all of this is like worry and anger part of it as well. But there's a lot of people that say that he has anger issues as well. So okay, let's ask one last time, what is bothering Harry the most? Like, what will be the outcome of this? What will be the outcome? The Three of Swords. Whoa, he's been betrayed. He has been betrayed, and and so you got the sick bed here, and lies are coming out. Betrayal. This is all, now this should be a Netflix movie. You've got it all. You've got the Hierophant in reverse, which is the the royal family, and justice is not fair. He's got money problems. He's got betrayal going on. So I think like all your secrets are going to come out, Harry, and you're going to have justice, even though that betrayal. This might be a lot of court as well. But he likes to be in court, doesn't he? So I'm going to ask some questions with the pendulum here now, and I'm going to use Esme this morning. Good morning, Esme. We are asking about Harry and what is bothering him the most. But we are asking, Is Harry feeling trapped in his situation? Is Harry feeling trapped in his situation? Whoa, look at that. Swinging right to yes. Okay. Is Harry looking for a way out? And that continues to swing to yes. Whoa. We also want to know about the Duchess. Or here we call it the Duchess. So, is Meghan making secret plans that he doesn't know about? Is Meghan making secret plans that he doesn't know about? And that is going to yes. Whoa, that's going to yes. Can you see that? Barely. So, does Harry regret leaving the royal family, please? Does Harry regret leaving the royal family? Going straight to yes. Okay. Is he worried about losing his royal titles? Because he's got a lot of stuff to worry about. Is he worried about losing the royal titles? And, okay, that is going to yes as well. Barely, but that's why before I would say I'll give you a little kickstart because we could physically see it swinging, but I'm trying my best to hold still there. So let's see again. Is he worried about losing royal titles? And that is going to yes. Okay. Thank you all so much for being here. I really appreciate you all, and thank you to all my new subscribers. If you like this video, please press the like button, and I will see you on the next one.